Hey grant cousins, today I'm very excited to share this grant with you. You could win a $10,000 grant and a free iPhone. The deadline is approaching, so keep watching to learn more about this grant before it's too late. The grant is called the at&t Black Future Maker Contest Grant, and it's offering $10,000 grants in a at&t 5G enabled phone. If you are inspiring, a visionary, you bring culture, these are the qualities of a Black future maker. You also must be a dedicated individual pursuing greater possibilities for the greater good. If this sounds like you, then the at&t grant may be for you to apply. So how to apply for this grant is very simple to do. You will need to submit a video of 30 to 60 seconds or a photo on your Instagram feed, and you must tell them how you are pursuing greater possibilities for you in the community. And when you do post that video or photo, you must tag at at&t Instagram and use hashtag #DreamInBlack and hashtag att contest. The official prizes for this grant is the $10,000 USD cash prize awarded in the form of a check, and you'll get one at&t 5G enabled device with an approximate retail value up to $1,250. So you can literally get the newest iPhone if it costs less than $1,250, depending on the gigabyte. You also will get one Dream in Black capsule collection, which is an approximate retail value of $250, and inclusion on the at&t Dream in Black website as a 2022 Black Future Maker. Now the deadline for this grant is December 31st at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. Winners will be notified on the Monday, January 9th, 2023. Now I do highly encourage you to read the official rules of this grant on their website to make sure you are creating the pitch correctly or posting a photo correctly. The link to this grant application will be linked below if you have any additional questions. If you do not qualify, please share this video with someone who does. I know they're greatly appreciated. Now, if you like these type of videos, please leave a thumbs up. I hope this video is very helpful for you all. Let me know if this grant is worth your time and if you will check this one out. And make sure to check out more recent grants at designersoapbox.com/grants. So make sure you click the link in the pinned comments in the video description below to learn more. See you in the next one. Hey everyone, I'm offering a limited time offer for your business to become a paid sponsor on my YouTube videos for thousands of people to learn more about your products or services. If you are interested, please go to designersoapbox.com/sponsor and fill out the form to become a sponsor. I look forward to hearing from you all, and thanks for watching.